Welcome to how to scan documents with Apple Notes. So in this video we are going to show you how to scan documents with Apple Notes. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do, you will just open up the Apple Notes here and now tap on this new notes. And now if you want to scan a document, what will you do is you will just simply tap on this camera icon here, and here you can see we have this option where it says scan documents. So just simply tap on it and your back camera will open up. And now if I wanted to scan this document here, so it, as you can see that it automatically captured it, then tap on save, and now you will see that these documents will be in the notes. Okay, and then here below, if you want to add some text related to these documents, you can use it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.